So a quick video today showing something I really can't explain. I went outside this morning to let the dogs out, and there is something in the bird feeder somehow popped up water and froze, and it looks like Mother Nature flicking you off, telling me to have a great day. If anyone can explain it out there, please leave it in the comments. Thank you. Enjoy. I come outside this morning to let the dogs out, and the bird bath frozen over with this sticking up above. Nothing else around. There's nothing to the left. Closest thing over there is a tree, but nothing above it at all. Just clouds. So how does that get formed?